Unraveling the Mystery. What does gift wrap really mean? Welcome, English language learners. Today, we're delving into a common English phrase that might puzzle you: gift wrap. Have you ever wondered what this phrase means and how to use it correctly? Well, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of this expression. Let's unwrap the meaning together. Let's start by breaking down the phrase, gift wrap. In everyday conversations, when we talk about gift wrap, we are referring to the decorative paper and materials used to cover a gift. It's the art of beautifully packaging a present to make it look enticing and appealing. So, when someone says, "I need to gift wrap this box," they mean they want to cover the box with decorative paper and perhaps add a ribbon or a bow to make it look festive. Now that you know what gift wrap means, let's talk about when and where you can use this phrase. You'll often encounter it during special occasions like birthdays, holidays, weddings, or any event where gifts are exchanged. For example, if you're at a store and you found the perfect birthday present for your friend, you might ask the salesperson, "Can you gift wrap this for me, please?" This indicates that you want the item to be beautifully wrapped before you take it home or present it to someone. Mastering the art of gift wrapping can make your presents stand out and leave a lasting impression. Here are some tips to consider. Choose appropriate wrapping paper. Select paper that suits the occasion and the recipient's taste. Use clear tape. Ensure the wrapping looks neat by using transparent tape that doesn't stand out. Add embellishments. Enhance the presentation with ribbons, bows, or even a handwritten note. Practice neat folds. Make sharp, clean folds for a polished look. Remember, the effort you put into gift wrapping shows your thoughtfulness and care for the person receiving the gift. Congratulations! You've successfully unwrapped the meaning of the phrase, gift wrap. Now you can confidently use this expression in your conversations, whether you're shopping for presents or discussing gift-giving occasions. Keep practicing your English skills, and soon, you'll be effortlessly using phrases like gift wrap in various contexts. I hope this video has been helpful in clarifying the mystery behind this phrase. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language learning tips and insights. Happy learning, and happy gift wrapping!